everyone, today we're going to do IXL. Leave. Okay, now let's listen.
Click on the button, then follow the directions. What is the new word? Say the word fist. Say the word braid. Do you hear the A in the middle? Now say braid, but change the A, bead. Say the word braid, but change the A to E. Click on the button, then follow the directions. What is the new word? Say the word braid. Do you hear the A in the middle? Now say bead, bead, red, bread. Words are made up of sounds. Words are made up of sounds. When you change one sound in a word, you can create a new word. For example, listen to the word drip. D, I. P. If you change the first sound, D, to T, the word drip changes to trip. T. If you change the middle sound, I, to ah, the word drip changes to drop. D. If you change the last sound, P, to ul, the word drip changes to drill. D, I, ul. Think about the sounds in braid. When you change the sound A to the sound E, you get the word bread. Braid, bread. Say the word groom. Do you hear the at the end? Now say groom, but change the to p. Group. Say the word grain. Do you hear the
Grain.
At the end? Now say grain, but change the to d. Grade, drum, gate. Grade, drum, gate. Say the word slip. Say the word slick. Do you hear the k at the end? Now say slick, but change the k to p.
So guys, it said slick. We can do slick, and then
say the word slick. Do you hear the k at the end? Now say slick, but change the k to p.
Ooh, guys, now we can start to erase this. And then turn it. I'm trying to swipe up. No, I took the whole thing. Swipe up. Okay, slick, and then slick, turned into slip. So
slip.
We got it.
Say the word crush. Do you hear the k at the beginning? Now say crush, but change the k to b.
So crush. Let's do crush. And then
Say the word.
And then brush. Ooh, I thought it would say bush, and I was like, is bush even a word? But it's brush.
Brush.
What? Say the word.
Trip.
Trip.
Do you hear the I in the middle?
Yes, I do.
Now say trip, but
Okay.
change the I to a.
Like, guys, this is the mousetrap game. Have you played it before? Tell me in the comments below. Okay.
Trap.
That was weird. How you saw the mousetrap. No more mousetraps. Greater than, less than, equal.
Click on the button, then follow the direct trap.
See?
Say the word flock.
Flock.
Do you hear the f at the beginning?
It's gonna be
now
block.
Say flock, block.
We all know that, guys.
Say the word glam.
Glam.
Do you hear the g at the beginning?
G.
Now say glam.
Glam.
But change the g to k.
Clam.
Clam.
Yeah, excellent.
Say the word grip. Do you hear the g at the beginning?
Yes.
Now say grip. But change the g to d.
Dip.
Dip.
Nachos and wait, what? Oh, drip I meant.
The correct answer is drip.
Sorry, incorrect.
The correct
answer is
drip. Say the word
chicken.
crime. Do you hear the Say the word
Crumb.
Do you hear the at the end?
I mean prime.
Now say prime. But
prime
change
bottles.
the to z. Rice. Rice. Prize. Ice. Prize.
Can't phone. Oh, back.
Barn. Back. Book. Say the word bark. Do you hear the R in the middle? Now say bark, but change the R to Say the word bark. Do you hear the R in the middle? Now say bark, but change the R to
What? I'll just
book.
do book. Yes, I still got it. Ooh, testy. Pinches are flexy. If we just switch this to 67. Guys, at IXL, you would see this. Look. You see it? You met your new goal. Wow, you would see something like this, guys. Time to go back to brain smart mode. Say the word.
Click. Do you hear the I in the middle? Now say click, but change the I to ah. clock, clock. Say the word
Chicken.
scale. Do you hear the O at the end? Now say scale, but change the
Scale.
O to T.
Tail.
Skate, lake, take, gate, take.
The correct answer is
Skate. Say the word bud.
Bud.
Do you hear the in the middle? Now say bud, but change the to bird. Say the word blow. Do you hear the b at the beginning? Now say blow, but change the b to s. Slow. Say the word flat. Do you hear the in the middle? Now say flat, but change the to o.
Float. And
Float.
you would be focused. Slow float. And then add you got it. I mean,
Say the word skit. Do you hear
Skittles.
the at the end? Now say skit, but change the t to p. Say the word sit, sit. Say the word skit. Do you hear the t at the end? Now say skit, but change the t to p. Say the word skit. Sip, skip, slip, skip.
Finally, let's go.
Say the word stem. Do you hear the
Stemmy.
in the middle? Now say stem, but change the
Steam.
to e.
Steam. Just
Steam.
96.
Say the word slat. Do you hear the s at the beginning? Now say slat, but change the s to fat.
No, it was whatever that was.
Say the word stem. Do you hear the at the end? Now say stem, but change the to p. Steam, spin, sleep, step, step. Say the word crash. Do you hear the k at the beginning? Now say crash.
Trash.
But change the k to t.
See, I knew it would be trash.
Trash.
Because they have the same ending sound.
Say the word frown. Do you hear the f at the beginning?
Crown.
Now say frown, but change the f to
crown. I knew
crown.
it. Look. Well done. You have mastered and skill a gold medal. Win more prizes. Keep practicing. We're going to do one more lesson today. Let's see, what is this? Dine. Mine. Oh, this could be easy. It says complete the words. Nose. Note. Ride. Ride. No, I meant the other way around. Yes, great job, IXL. Plain? No. They both are the same, but T and N, they're different. Can't trick me. I'm gonna make you smaller. Yeah.
Complete the words.
Game. Tame. Okay. Well then. Sail, but a safe. This is kite, but we need to bite. So do we have to bite a kite, guys? Flame. I'm on flaming. Last time my sister said that. Cone, bone, fly by, boom. Guys, this is actually easy. Vine, vein, vine. That's not do. Coin, dime. What does this say?
Complete the words.
A dome. Oh, dime. A dime. Wait, we saw this picture. Gate. Open the gate. Okay, where's the key? Okay, we open the gate. Should we do one last lesson? No, we're done. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. See you on the next vid.